Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make beef jerky in air fryer easy method. Slice flank steak thinly across the grain, about 1/8 inch thick, and marinate for at least 4 hours. Drain excess marinade, pat strips dry, then arrange in a single layer in the air fryer basket. Dry at 160 degrees F for 2 to 3 hours, checking and flipping occasionally until chewy but not brittle, and enjoy. Start with a simple marinade of soy sauce, brown sugar, Worcestershire, garlic powder, and black pepper for balanced flavor. Add a splash of apple cider vinegar or pineapple juice to gently tenderize meat fibers without cooking. Mix well, submerge the strips, and refrigerate in a sealed bag or container for at least 4 hours, or overnight for best results. Then wipe off excess marinade before loading the air fryer basket. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more easy kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated between batches. It's leak-proof, fits cup holders, and keeps drinks cold during long cooks. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one, and grab it for better sipping while you cook. Now let's get back to the video. Freeze the roast for about 30 to 45 minutes to firm it for even slicing. Then cut thin strips about 1/8 inch thick for consistent drying. Lay strips in a single layer with space between pieces and rotate trays, or flip halfway to prevent hot spots. Dry at 160 degrees F, checking after 2 hours, then every 30 minutes until flexible and leathery, then cool completely before storing in airtight containers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.